This is the second video I've taken of this. The first time there was dust on the lens and you couldn't see anything. So I'm just going to recap if I can. Just want to make sure it can focus on it, which I've given it a clean with micropore and it is good. What I want to just show is there's some markings along here. There's a bit of rust just about there, so I'm going to clean that up. But the worst bit is what you can see here, and that is bad. That's going to need a clean up. So if I just go up to here so you can see, hopefully that you can see. Looks good to me anyway. But that's the next thing for me to do, and do another video to show how it's being cleaned up.